So we've been given this relationship. It's expressed as an equation and as a table for certain x values. And they say which statement is true about this relationship. So pause this video, have a go at that before we do this together. Okay, before I even look at these choices, what I immediately see is that this definitely has the form of a proportional relationship. We have y is equal to some constant times x. We're not adding or subtracting or doing anything else after that. And so it has this form, y is equal to kx. Another way to think about it, if we divide both sides of this equation by x, we get y over x is equal to 3/4. So you have this constant of proportionality. So choice A, the relationship is proportional because y over x is always the same value. Yes, that is true. And that same value is always 3/4. So I like this one. And the other one should not, none of the other ones should be right. But let's see, the relationship is not proportional. No, it is proportional. So let's just cross that out. The relationship is proportional. That part is true because x increases at a constant rate of 2. Well, x can increase at a constant rate of 2 for any relationship where you could put these values into that are part of the domain. You could try x equals 4 or 6 or 8 or 10 for any function as long as those are in the domain. And that doesn't mean that they are proportional, so we'd rule that one out. The relationship is not proportional. Well, we already know it is proportional, so let's rule that one out as well.